Hello YouTube. Alright, right now I will be showing you how to change up the leaderboard in the top right corner of your screen on the client. First of all, what you want to do is you want to create a script. This script will basically be made for everything. I want to call this leaderboard. Alright, now that we have this, we could just start working. Alright, so I want to create a team. This team will be called Raiders. So we will type in leaderboard dot create, oh, can I spell? Team, and then we will go here and we will type in the team name, which is Raiders, and then we will also want the team color. I'm not for sure. I think I will do part color not new. Oh wait, I totally forgot how to do part color. Is it part color? No. Lowercase. Maybe it is. Part color 3? No. Okay, whatever. Let's do 0, 255, 0. That should create a new team called Raiders. Oh, of course. What am I missing? One leader expected near. Oh, duh. I'm pretty slow. Alright. There we go. There's the team. So, now, what we want to do is we want to put every player that joins into the game and put them on that team. So what we need to do is we will do players dot player joined. Oh, can I spell? Connect function PLR and then we will do set player team. Oh wait, no we won't. We will do leaderboard dot set player team. Then we will do pretty sure it's Raiders and then player. If not, it is flipped. Always forget that parentheses, it's so stupid. Nope, it is the other way around. There we go. Alright, so now we got that. Basically what we did was we're calling leaderboard and we will create a team in the leaderboard. The name of the team is called Raiders and the color of it is 0, 255, 0, which is in RGB, red, green, blue. It is green. And then once a player has joined, it is calling a function with the parameter of player. And then once the player is joined, then it will give the players or give the player the team of Raiders, which we have created up here. Now we will start working on columns. Let's go up here, and then we could do leaderboard dot create column dot, or just the parentheses. Then we'll name that column. So let's just say I want cash. This is going to be the name of the column. Now what we want is the default number. So I want that to set to 0 so they don't have any money at the start. Once we join the game, it should create a column with the default of 0. There we go. If I change that 0 to a 5, it'll start you off with 5 in that column. Alright, now that we have that, we could head over here into our player join, and we could do leaderboard dot set player column value. Alright, so basically what that is doing, it is setting the column value of whatever it is in the player, I mean. So we need 3 parameters for that. We need what person we are getting the column to, or the column volume. And then we are also wanting the column name. And we are also wanting the column value. So what we are going to do is we're going to add cash. So we are going to do leaderboard dot get player column value. And then same parameters pretty much. We want the player and we want the column name. And that is getting that value. And then we will add 5 to it. So now we should start off with 5 in the cash column. Or not. Leaderboard.set player column value. What about it? Leaderboard set player column value. Maybe it's this player.username part. Probably don't even need that username. Don't know why I put it. There we go. We started off with 5 now. Let me go over this one more time before we leave. So, what we currently have is leaderboard is creating a team called Raiders with the color of green. Then we are also creating a column value named cash that has a default of 0. Now once the player is joined, we will get a parameter called player, which is calling the player that is joined, and they are being set to the team of Raiders. Then after that, we're getting the set player column value of the cash and of the player that is joined, and we are getting the player column value of cash and adding 5 to that value. So that is basically most of the leaderboard manipulation. I could go over get player team, but that's basically the same thing as this leaderboard.get player column value, and you do the same thing as this, but you will add the team name, so it'd be like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it, and have a good night.